Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have OP or admin access and direct console or FTP. Once you have access, back up the world, copy the world folder and label it so you can restore it if needed. Stop the server before editing files. This prevents file corruption. Make sure you know whether the server uses vanilla or a plugin platform like Spigot. That changes where you change difficulty. Now, open server. Properties or the console to begin changing settings. Edit server. Properties and set difficulty equals 0, 1, 2, 3 for peaceful, easy, normal, hard. Save the file and then restart the server. Alternatively, use the console or an in-game OP account and run /difficulty peaceful, /difficulty easy, /difficulty normal, or /difficulty hard. This applies instantly without restart. If you run Spigot or Bucket and need different difficulties per world, use a World Manager plugin like Multiverse or WorldGuard and configure each world via the. Once done, restart the server if you edited server. Properties. Otherwise, verify the change immediately in-game after a console command. Check mobs, hunger, and player damage to confirm the new difficulty, and watch console logs for any plugin messages. If the setting reverts or doesn't apply, make sure you are OP and that no plugin is overriding difficulty. Clear any server cache or plugin configs and restart again. If problems persist, restore your backup and reapply changes step by step to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.